Of all the people who use our products, one of the most demanding is my teenage daughter. She believes she knows more than me in everything, including her chronic acne. She told me that if I can't give her anything that will solve her problem in 1 week, she will go elsewhere. So imagine here we are with a state-of-the-art lab and R&D, and I have this ultimatum. So before we solve for acne, we need to understand what causes acne. So there are 3 things happening. Our skin secretes an oily substance called sebum. When there is excessive sebum that is being produced and it is not able to come out through the pores, it gets stuck underneath the skin. So it keeps accumulating under the skin because it's not able to come out because the pores are closed. What happens then is this accumulated sebum gets infected by a bacteria and pus is formed. So when there is enough pus forming, it pushes up the skin and you have what is called a pimple. So why does our skin produce excessive sebum? It could be hormonal changes such as what happens during puberty or some other medical conditions. But more often than not, it is the face wash that a person uses that actually causes excessive sebum production in the skin. Yes, you heard me right. It is the face wash. That is because many of the face washes have very harsh and drying surfactants like sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium laureth sulfate, alpha olefin sulfonate, sodium olefin sulfonate, or any other sulfates. Now these surfactants suck out all the oil from your skin, leave the skin very depleted of its natural oils. So the skin goes into an overdrive to compensate for this lack of oil, and that is how excessive sebum production happens. The second thing that is happening here is the pores are clogged. So we need to open out the pores. So how do we open out the pores? We need to steam our face regularly 1 to 2 times a week, and that will open out the pores. The third thing that is happening is there is a bacterial infection happening where the sebum has accumulated. So we need to use a gentle ingredient to kill the bacteria that can potentially come and cause the pus formation. Our anti-acne solution has got 2 products. It has got an activated charcoal anti-acne face wash that is made with very gentle coconut oil based surfactants. This will clean your face without stripping your skin of its natural oils. It also has highly activated charcoal, which very high surface area that will absorb any excessive sebum that is there. And the second product that we recommend that we use in conjunction with the face wash is an anti-acne serum. This serum will normalize your sebum production. This will kill any acne causing bacteria. The ingredient we use to kill the bacteria is a natural ingredient called tea tree oil, and it will also clear your skin of whiteheads and blackheads that can otherwise clog the pores. So when you use these 2 products in conjunction twice a day, you will be able to see significant reduction in your acne, even if it is chronic acne, in 1 week's time.